Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will show you that how your student can reset their password. Let's say I don't remember my password, so how I will log into this website? I have to reset my password to log in. So here you can see in this dashboard, I need email and password to log in, but as I don't have the password, I have to reset it. So first of all, we have to click on this lost your password option. And then in this email address field, we have to add our email address that we have used to sign up on this website. And make sure you have added the correct email address, otherwise you will not receive any password reset link. So then we have to click on this reset password, and you can see it's showing that check your email for the confirmation link. That means in this email address, I have received a password reset link, and with that link, I will be able to reset my password. I will be able to create a new password. As this is my test site, I don't have any email configuration. That's the reason I'm not able to show you that. But if you added the correct email address, your student will receive a password reset link, and from there they can reset their new password. Also, as an admin, you can also reset their password if they are not remember their email address or something like that. You can, as admin, you can also reset their password. So I will also show you that. So first of all, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard backend. And here you can see I have visited users and all users. So I will reset my password for one of my specific student. So if I click on students, I will click students password I want to reset. So I want to reset, I think I will choose any of them to show you the example. So I'll click on here. We have to click on edit to a specific user's name. And here, if we scroll a bit, you can see all the students' email address. You can see their email address. And now on this account management option, you can reset their password. Here we have this option. So if you click on this set reset link, so that means a password reset link was emailed to these students. So they will receive a password reset link on this website, on this email address they have added. So if your students are not able to reset your password for some reason, you can reset them as well. But if you are facing any issue that your students is not getting the email, or you have some email issue, we already have a documentation on all the email issues. Here you can take a look on this documentation. This is a guide to understanding and fixing email issues in LifterLMS. So you can check out this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.